What we are going to be doing today is we're going to be making some sauce. The sauce is going to be used for a variety of things. It's going to be used for our pizzas, our spinach crepe, various crepes that we make. We use a sauce to go in. So one of the things we're going to do first is we're going to mince some garlic, and then we're going to put it in to some butter and olive oil. You know, I think I'm going to throw the bacon in earlier. So we'll take a hand of bacon, sprinkle it in, because this is going to all blend together. One of the things that we'll do here is we'll put our mushrooms all over, but I'm going to go ahead and pour this in, get this all set. So there are the mushrooms that have been sauteed. So right now I'm going to throw some mozzarella cheese in, and I'm going to put the garbanzo beans in. We're going to blend all this up to make our sauce, and if it's too thick, we will end up adding a little bit of alternative milk, like almond milk, soy, or oat milk. We're going to put this on low to start, and I'm going to turn it up because we want it to be smooth. Okay, now we have concluded our sauce that we made. We blended it up, and here we go. Here's the sauce. You can taste that garlicky cheese, mozzarella, bacon. Man, the complexity of this, just very delicious.